Hi friends, welcome to Years Physics classes. In the last video, I have given 3 questions for practice. Let us see the solutions for those questions. A car moves from X to Y. See here, car moves from X to Y with a uniform speed Vu. So it was moving with a uniform speed Vu and returns to X with a uniform speed of Vd and returns to X with a uniform speed Vd. The average speed for its round trip is, so we have to find the average speed. Let the distance between X and Y is S. Time taken to travel from X to Y is T1 and Y to X is T2. Let it be like that. Now let us see the formula for average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance travelled upon total time taken. So here the total distance travelled is from X to Y is S and again from Y to X is S. So S plus S. Total time taken for X to Y is T1. Again return Y to X is T2. Now let us find the values of T1 and T2. We know that the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. So from this, time is equal to distance upon speed. So let us see for time T1, distance travelled is S and speed is Vu. For time T2, distance travelled again from Y to X is S upon the speed is Vd. Now substitute the values of T1 and T2 here in this formula. S plus S is 2S upon T1 value is S by Vu and the T2 value is S by Vd, which is equal to, now take the S as common here, 1 by Vu plus 1 by Vd. So S and S will get cancelled, which is equal to, now 2 upon Vu Vd LCM and here it is Vd plus Vu, which is equal to 2 Vu Vd upon Vd plus Vu. This is the average velocity we got. Let us see that 2 Vd Vu upon Vd plus Vu. This is the correct option. I hope you understand this. Let us go to the next question. Car covers first half of the distance between two places at 40 km per hour. See, this is the distance covered by a car. First half of the distance with 40 km per hour and another half is 60 km per hour and another half is 60 km per hour. First half is 40 km per hour. Find the average speed of the car. So the total distance travelled, let it be S. For first half, the distance covered is S by 2 and the second half is S by 2 and the total distance covered by a car is S. For first half, let the time is T1 and for the second half, the time is T2. Now write the formula for average speed is equal to total distance travelled upon total time taken, which is equal to total distance traveled here it is S upon total time taken T1 plus T2. Now find the value of T1 and T2. We know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. From this, time is equal to distance upon speed, which is equal to, for first half T1 is equal to, the distance for first half is S by 2 upon speed is 40, which is equal to S upon 2 into 40 is 2 40s are 80. Similarly for T2, here the distance is S by 2 and the speed is 60 km per hour, which is equal to S by 260s are 120. So we got the values of T1 and T2. Let us substitute here. S by T1 value is S by 80 plus T2 value is S by 120. Now take the S by 40 as common. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Now S and S will get cancelled. The remaining terms are 1 upon 1 by 40 into. Now take the LCM for 2 and 3, which will be 6. 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 1 upon 1 by 40 into 3 plus 2 is 5 by 6. Here 5 1s are and 8 5s are 40. 1 upon 1 by 8 6s are 48. So which is equal to 48 km per hour. So see here, B is the correct option. Let us see the other question. Let us see a bus traveling first 1/3 distance. Suppose this is the total distance travelled by the bus. First 1/3 distance at a speed 10 km per hour. Let it be 3 parts. First 1/3 is 10 km per hour. And the next 1/3 is at 20 km per hour. And at last 1/3 at 60 km per hour. See, the last one is 60 km per hour. Average speed of the bus is. So we have to find the average speed. Now the total distance travelled by the bus is, let it be S. For first 1/3 it is S by 3 and second S by 3 and for third is S by 3. Let it be the time for first 1/3 T1, second 1/3 T2 and the third is T3 respectively. Now we have to find the average speed. For that, let us write the formula for average speed is equal to, we know the total distance travelled upon total time taken, which is equal to total distance travelled is S upon total time taken is for first 1/2, for first 1/3 T1, second 1/3 T2 and the third 1/3 is T3. Let us find the values of T1, T2 and T3 respectively. We know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So from this, time is equal to distance upon speed. For first 1/3 T1 is equal to, distance is S by 3 and the speed for first 1/3 10, which is equal to S by 3 into 10 is 30. For second 1/3 the distance is S by 3 upon the speed is 20. Now S by 3 20s are 60. For last 1/3, T3 is equal to, distance is s by 3 and the speed is 60, which is equal to s by 360s are 180. Let us substitute the values of T1, T2, T3 here. S upon T1 value is s by 30, T2 is s by 60 and the T3 is s by 180. Now take s by 30 as common. So 1 by 1 plus here it is 1 by 2, 2 30s are 60. Now 1 by 6, 6 30s are 180. Which is equal to s and s will get cancelled. The remaining terms are 1 by 30. Now take the LCM for 1, 2 and 6. Here we will get 6 as the LCM. Here it is 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 6 are 1. Which is equal to 1 upon 1 by 30 into 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 upon 6. 10 1s are and 3 10s are, which is equal to 1 upon, here 3 6 are 18. So 1 by 18, which is equal to 18 km per hour. So we got average speed of the bus as 18 km per hour. See here, this is the correct option. I hope you understand. I took some time to explain so that you will get something. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.